ladies, it's beauty day and I need to tighten up these chin hairs. I'm using my favorite waxing brand, which is Gigi. I've been using them for a really long time, and I get to, the products are easy to use and I get to take care of my waxing needs at home. So Gigi has come out with a few new products recently, and I'll be using some of those today. The first one, which is the star of the show, are these hard wax beads. And this is a scented wax bead. It's vanilla scented. Smells like vanilla, but it also smells like wax too. But I've used them before. Works pretty good. This is a 10-ounce jar. It also comes in chocolate scent. So vanilla, chocolate, you pick the one that you want. Another newbie from Gigi that I'll be using is this silicone microwave cup. I love this cup so much. It's easy to clean. It keeps everything all together. You don't have to pull out your big wax warmer or anything like that. Silicone holds your beads. You can microwave them in here, and it's just easy as pie. Here's everything I'll be using for my wax session today. It's just all the basics. Gigi has a wide range of products, not just for waxing, but also products to treat your skin before you wax and after you wax. All right, so I've got hairs on my chin right here. And some of them, look, this one here has the nerve to be gray. And then I have
All right, I'm starting off with the pre-epilation oil by Gigi. It prepares and protects the skin before waxing. And Gigi says you get better results and that this oil reduces discomfort. So apply a small amount all over the area that you're intending to wax and don't wipe it off. Just go ahead and leave that oil on. It's nice. It feels pretty good. Now here I'm adding just enough of the wax beads that I think I'll need. The silicone cup holds 6 ounces, but I don't need that much. I'm just trying to get rid of my little lady beard. So what you do once you have the amount of beads that you want, microwave them at 45-second intervals. You want to make sure your wax is the consistency of a thick caramel. I had to use 2 cycles of 45 seconds. I got my wooden applicator and I'm stirring it. This is a little thin rather, but as you can see now, it's thickened up a little bit and I'm ready to use it. And also, I've got my wooden applicator. You see, ladies and fellas, with hard wax beads, you don't need to use the muslin strips because the wax acts as the strip. So hold the applicator or the wooden applicator at a 45-degree angle and apply a thick layer of wax going against the direction of the hair growth, and then smooth it back over in the opposite direction. Let it cool a little bit. I'm just fanning mine to help it cool off a little bit faster. Let it cool. And then when it becomes soft and pliable, which is about 30 seconds, give or take, hold your skin taut and pull the wax off parallel to the skin with one quick motion and pull it in the opposite direction of your hair. And I didn't have as much growth right now as I have in the past, but oh my gosh. This stuff really, really works. The wax comes off pretty easily as you saw, but how I always finish my waxing session is with the Gigi Wax Off. It gently removes all traces of wax from the skin. It's enriched with aloe vera and essential oils to moisturize as it cleans, and it just really leaves your skin feeling soft and silky to the touch.
Now the wax in the silicone cup is still kind of warm, so once it hardens up and gets cold again, remember, all I'm going to do is reach down in there and pull it out. It comes out in big pieces, maybe like only 2 pieces to get all of the wax out. The convenience is unparalleled. Now, the last part of my beauty day is my mustache. I don't wax my mustache. I have before, but it's really, really sensitive and I just have to be in the mood to do that. So I do just get my clippers though and cut off any excess little hairs. Looking good. And that's it. So if you want to enjoy your waxing yourself at home, I recommend Gigi products. Like I said, I've been using them for a long time and I like how they're evolving and coming out with new products to try. I'll list everything in the description box below. If you have used Gigi or if you are interested in waxing or if you wax, let me know in the comments. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.